Okay mga kapatid, kasama po natin ngayon si Attorney Jimmy Bondoc. Nung kumakanta pa lang po ba kayo, medyo na-predict nyo na po bang tatakbo kayo sa Senado?
Hindi, pero I wanted to be a lawyer. Although sinubukan kong mag-counselor pero I backed out of that race, no? Dahil nung wala pa nga akong law degree, nakita ko na I think I have to do more preparations, no, to enter public office.
Sino pong inspirasyon nyo sa kantang Let Me Be The One?
Well, sabi nila may isang tao, pero yung kung gusto nyo malaman yung totoo, ano naman yun, it was really just a song about the girls I've loved before. Yan. So hindi naman siya talagang isang tao lang.
Pwede po ba sir, sample?
Let me be the one to break it up so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true but has now become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. Kailangan pa rin. And goodbye. Pakawalan mo lang. Pare.
Salamat. Salamat po.
Manood po sana kayo ng aplikante dahil kahit po tayo ay kuminsan kumakanta-kanta, nag-i-enjoy, nagpapatawa, kailangan natin makita na importante yung padating na eleksyon. Suriin nyo kami, huwag nyong basta-basta ibigay ang boto ninyo at mag-isip at magdasal.